Welcome, here I've got Vivo Y72 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off device watermark in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Here we have to slide a little bit down and find the watermark option, so let's pick it. Now let's focus on the second position, model watermark. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on and let's move back to the camera to see how device watermark looks like at the real picture. So let's take a photo. To see it we have to go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like with watermark in the left corner at the bottom. We can get closer to it. Vivo Y72 5G. And of course when we don't need it we have to move back to the camera, then to the right corner settings, slide down, pick the watermark and turn it off here. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.